So if you have trouble beading motorcycle tire or any tire with the machine, what you can do is put some microwave foil or whatever it's called, put it around to seal it off on the other side too, and then try to pump it up. Alright, so I made a couple rounds with the cellophane, other side also. So the idea is that we'll seal so it can, I'm gonna show you how it. Right, so yeah, so as you can see, it's now filled with air, and then you have to like and after it has beaded up, get to, I don't know, like 2 bars, and then bring it fully empty, make it fully empty this way, and so you can then pull out the cellophane. And after you took out all the cellophane, you can just pump it up to the normal pressure.